Good morning, everyone.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
Good morning, teacher.
How are you today?
We're fine, thank you.
I'm happy to hear that. It's so great to see you again.
Good morning. I'm sorry I'm late. May I come in?
Yes, please. You may go to your place.
Thank you, teacher.
Who can tell me what day is it today? Please raise your hand.
It's Monday.
Very good. What date is it, Peter?
It's 13th of August.
Speak louder, please. I can't hear you.
It's 13th of August.
That's right. Did you do your homework?
Yes, we did.
Great, let's check it. Please be quiet. Stop talking and pay attention. It's break time. Goodbye, students.
Goodbye, teacher. If you liked our video, please subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you very much.